Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just here to show you this 2021 Chrysler Pacifica that we have here on the lot. Just going to take a quick walk around the Chrysler today just to show you some of the features and options that this Pacifica has to offer. So starting with, it is in your red velvet paint finish, so a great looking color on this van. Now it is also in your limited trim level, which means you get tons of features packed into this thing. As we come around towards the back, you can see you do have your rear park sense, so you can see those sensors there across that back bumper. Your hitch back there, your backup camera as well. Of course you do have your power lift gate. Just to check out some of the cargo room back here. So tons of space in these things to store your gear bags, kind of secured out of the way while on the go. This unit also does come with a little bit of goodies, so you do have a first aid kit in there, tire, service kit, so a few great features included for you there. Your power folding third row seats, as you can see there, so you can easily fold those seats down, give yourself a little bit more storage space when those seats aren't needed. Again, just your power lift gate option. So just to check out some of the features inside here. So power sliding doors. You can see the interior of the unit. You do have the light interior, so great looking color in there. Plenty of room for your passengers to sit quite comfortably, both in terms of your second row and third row seat. Seats themselves are your leather seats, so again offer plenty of comfort across the entire unit. Up top you do have your sunroof equipped there. In the back seat, you do have your rear DVD players on each side. Again, your power sliding doors. You can adjust the front seats as well from the back, so if you're looking to fold down those second row seats and the front seats too far back, there's no more hopping into that front seat to adjust it. You can easily control that right there. Second row heated seats, as you can see there. Rear climate controls. And just to check out some of the features up front here, so your touchscreen display area, tons of features packed in this thing, very user friendly as well. So you do have access to, of course, all your audio media controls built in there, climate control options, navigation, your Bluetooth capabilities. Just some of the options that are included in there, so you can fold your third row headrest down, your surround view camera you can toggle on and off, and of course your fam cam option, so you can check out what your passengers are doing in the back seat. And just some of the apps that are included in through there. Just below that, again, access some of your basic audio media controls, climate control options in through there. Down into your center console area, you can see your DVD player there, wireless charger, your media port hookups just in through there. A little bit of storage space included for you there. Your push button start, so you do have keyless entry. You can see the key fob for the unit here. So remote starts included, a great feature you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Steering wheel mounted controls, so you do have access to your cruise control options. Adaptive cruise control is equipped. Bluetooth Uconnect capabilities in on the left hand side. In behind the steering wheel, access to your audio media controls. So everything easily accessible right on the steering wheel itself, allows you to keep your hand safely on the wheel while still staying connected while on the go. All your power windows, locks, and side mirrors, memory seats as well. But if you're looking for a great everyday vehicle and something that has that upgrade and features, this Chrysler Pacifica could be the option for you. With all-wheel drive capabilities, makes a great all-year-round vehicle. If you have questions about this unit, please feel free to give us a call, 780-826-2999.